Hey, Julie here, and it is time to wash my face. And what I want to do today is just talk to you briefly about the 3 cleansers that Riman kbeauty has, okay? Now, normally I would not wash my face with all 3 of these, but I'm good at today just to show them to you. Korean women are all about double cleansing their skin, and this just gets off all the impurities. We don't use toner with this skincare system or ritual, and so it just makes sure it gets your skin so clean, especially at night after you take off your makeup, okay? So you can use any of these really to take off your makeup. I choose to, I use a mascara that can come off with just water because my eyes are super sensitive. So you can reach out if you have questions about how to take off your eye makeup. But let me talk to you about all of these. All right. First of all, this is the Snow Enzyme Cleanser. And a lot of my clients love this cleanser morning and night. If your skin tends to be a little more dry, I would recommend that you don't use this as your primary cleanser. However, the enzymes that are in this cleanser are so spectacular, just like eating away dead skin, just nourishing your skin. The longer that you rub it in, the more creamy that it gets, okay? This is a fun one. Even you can mix it with one of the other cleansers. You can put it in your shower, whatever. But this is the Snow Enzyme Cleanser. Really, really great if you have normal to combo, even a little bit more oily skin. I want you to watch to see what happens to this product as it sits on your face. Do you see how it's disappearing? And it's kind of tingly. It feels like little tickles on your skin, which is really sweet. It's just amazing. It's gonna all disappear here. Just wait and watch. So if you're using the Snow Enzyme Cleanser and your face starts to feel really, really tight, then I might suggest that you use the oil cleanser that you kind of mix. I have all 3 of these and I kind of use them interchangeably. There's no right or wrong way really. So, all right, it's almost gone. So that's fun. I started with this cleanser. I used this for the first probably 6 weeks. Love it. Okay, it's almost gone. I would wait till it was almost gone, or if I'm in a hurry, I'm just gonna take and immediately wash it off. You can just rinse it off with water, or you can use a washcloth. I love my microfiber washcloths from Saint. Love these. I mean, they're fantastic. All right. So that is the Snow Enzyme Cleanser. Ladies, a tube of this I think is like 30. It lasts 4 months because you don't use very much. All right. So then I might follow this like as a natural routine. I would use this or the cleanup powder followed by my oil, cleansing oil. 2 pumps. Take this and massage it into your face. Ladies, this is like getting a facial, except it's so much less expensive, and you give yourself a facial like every morning and night. It's phenomenal. It is phenomenal. So for all of my older ladies, for my clients who just have drier skin, even for my oily gals, like they love this, because don't be afraid of using a cleansing oil to wash your face. So you can rub it in for about 30 seconds. Then you take just a splash of water and go like this. And if you're using it to take off your eye makeup, you just rub it on your eyes. And then see how it kind of suds up? Okay. Now I'm going to rinse that off with water, or you can use a washcloth. Doesn't matter. I've splashed water all over my face to kind of get it off. And then I'm just going to use my towel, pat it all off. Okay. That Here's the cleansing oil. Just got a little bit left. I'm trying to think. This is the second bottle I've used. I started using the skincare September 2nd. So you can see I'm probably going to use about 3 bottles of this. And I use this morning and night. This is my go-to cleanser. All right, the last product is this active cleanup powder. Now, I haven't used this for that long, probably a couple months. This is like an exfoliator. I want you to watch. It's like a powder. And then you put a dash of water in it and suds it up. And this is a great product to put in your shower. It really is a great product to put in your shower. As you rub it, you feel less and less of the particles. But we need to all exfoliate our skin. I was talking to a client the other day, and she said, my skin is tight. And I said, is your skin tight or is your skin dry? And she said, well, I have these little flaky things. And I said, then you need to exfoliate, because you can add all kinds of moisture to your face. It's not going to get rid of the dead skin. Our skin turns over all the time, and at night your skin repairs itself, which is why it's so important to wash your face at night and take off your makeup. Or even just wash all the impurities if you don't wear makeup. And so I use this probably twice a week is all. Especially in the winter, I don't use it. Don't over exfoliate. So, but this is very gentle. And again, then I'm gonna wash this off with my washcloth right now. Okay. So those are the 3 cleansers that we have, and then you follow it up with that whatever routine, with whatever ritual I've set you up with. So the skincare products, they're awesome, 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 awesome. All right, enjoy.